So children, again I am here to explain the next topic of the crop pattern, and that is called intercropping. Okay, so what is intercropping? Intercropping is the cultivation of the two or more crops simultaneously on the same field. It also means the growing of this or more crop on the same field with the planting of the second crop after the first one has completed its development. So here you can see the right hand side, that crop is matured, one crop is matured, and after that in a series the next crop will be planting the same field is same and in that one land only, but due to according to pattern, first they have improved that first type of crop, and then after the maturing, and that when that first crop will mature, so they can grow the next seeds and next crop they can develop in the same field in the designing manner. Clear? So how we can define the intercropping? So according to definition of intercropping, in other words, intercropping is the cultivation of two or more crops simultaneously on the same field. Okay, but the most common goal of intercropping is to produce a greater yield on the given piece of land by making use of resources or ecological processes that would otherwise not be utilized by the single crop. So some advantages are here due to intercropping. That main advantage is that crop yield will increase with intercropping due to higher growth of rate, and then reduction of weeds, pests and diseases, and more in and more effective use of sources. So due to intercropping, the farmers can use the total that nutrients which are found in the same field, so they can use in a one time for the two or more crop. So it can be the total fertility of soil can use in a one time for two or more crops, so that is very useful for the production of the crop. And then that total use of field, that is also the total use of the field area. So it is very beneficial for the farmers in a same time and in a that designing manner, so they can cultivate and they can cut the total after harvesting. It is very good for the farmers, because in a designing pattern, so there will be no problem no problem to no problem for the harvesting of the any type of crop. So here that is very good one, that cropping pattern for the farmers. So here you can see the what is the difference between mixed cropping and intercropping. So mixed cropping versus intercropping. The difference between mixed cropping and intercropping: a mixed cropping or mixed farming, two independent crop are mixed together, that both the crops, and that is the special character of crop, that all the crops which are using in the mixed cropping, all are independent crop. Independently they are growing, and then that maturing their total crop production, and then after the in mixed crop together and in a same area. And intercropping is the multiple cropping multiple cropping technique, where two or more crops are grown in that proximity. So here we can say that both the cropping pattern are good, both the pattern are good, but that individual cropping pattern, it is depends on the field area. If that field area is totally that high with higher yield, and then it is enriched with the fertilizer, enriched with the nutrient medium, so that farmers can use for the intercropping. And if that area of the area or land of for the crop, it is the that in the medium manner or enriched with the that medium nutrient medium, so they can use for the mixed cropping. And after that, because mixed cropping is, that each and every plants are independent plant are there, so they that normal area they are using for the mixed cropping. And after that, both type of that cropping are that give benefit to the farmer, that is true. But they are using both the pattern according to the type of soil and according to the that fertility of the crop field area. Okay.